Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you all some popular romantic Turkish series. I'll be sharing you the part 1. So part 2 will be shared in the further videos. So just had my breakfast today. I'm currently having tea right now. I am a tea lover, just to update you. So I'll be sharing some glimpse of my day as well to you. So let's begin. Now the first one which I'll be discussing is Edini Fereha Koidam. In English we say the girl named Fereha. It's one of the popular romantic and very emotional Turkish series. It shows a beautiful love story of Fereha and Emir. Fereha, she belongs to a very poor family, and on other hand Emir, he belongs to a very rich family. He's a very playboy kind of a person. And Fereha, she's very hardworking. She gets good scores, and because of this, she gets admission in a very prestigious college where she meets Emir. And but the twist in the series is that Fereha doesn't reveal her identity, that she belongs to a very poor family. She lies everyone that she belongs to a very rich family. That is the whole twist of this series, that she doesn't reveal her identity. And Feriha role has been played by Hazel Kaya. She is literally, she has played her role so well. I loved her performance in that series. She's so real in that series. So overall, it's a very beautiful romantic Turkish series, and it has a lot of secrets which later get revealed. So Feriha identity gets revealed later, but in a very dramatic way. So it has that those breakup scenes, those emotional scenes. If I talk about the ending, I'll not tell you about the ending. Like most of you, I believe, must have watched this. It's a very popular romantic Turkish series. But those who haven't, you watch this. The ending is sad, but you will thoroughly enjoy watching this romantic Turkish series. So you must give a try to this one. And the next one is Sen Chal Kapami. I guessed I have pronounced it right. So anyway, in English we say Love is in the Air. It's a popular rom-com Turkish series. It has been loved by so many people across the globe. So in case you haven't watched this one, you must binge watch this rom-com Turkish series. You will definitely enjoy watching this one. So okay, it's a story of Eda and Sarkan. Eda is a young poor girl. On other hand, Sarkan is a rich businessman. Eda, she lost her parents at a very young age, and she had a dream to pursue her education in architecture from Italy, but she was unable to do so because her scholarship got rejected, and it got rejected by Sarkan company. So she hates Sarkan and she doesn't like him at all, and you will get to see that enemies to lover vibes also in this series. You will enjoy watching this one. So Sarkan, who recently had a breakup, so his ex-girlfriend is getting engaged to someone else, but he wants to basically break off her relationship, break off his ex-girlfriend relationship with that guy. So he tells Ada to be her fake fiance for a period of 2 months. So he will pay all her education, finances, and everything. But Ada rejects that offer. She tells that she'll be working in his company, then only she'll accept the offer. So he hired her as her personal assistant. Then she accepts the offer for a period of 2 months. But everything is basically it's a twist that they end up falling in love with each other. You'll get to see their chemistry is so rocking, so hot, and you will enjoy watching their chemistry. It's a very unique rom-com Turkish series, and you'll have a great time watching this one. It has a lot of jealousy scenes also, and enemies to lover vibes, everything, contract marriage, everything which a rom-com Turkish series should have. So you'll have a great time watching this one. Okay, I'll be doing some makeup. I have to shoot for my content. So while doing makeup, I'll tell you about the other romantic Turkish series. So the third one is Kara Sevda. In English, we say Endless Love. So it's basically a love triangle Turkish series and a very beautiful romantic Turkish series. It's a beautiful love story of Nihan and Kemal. So I literally enjoyed watching their chemistry. I love the chemistry between these two. So basically it's not like a typical poor girl or rich boy Turkish series. It's opposite to that. So Nihan, she basically belongs to a rich family and Kemal belongs to a poor family. So Emir, on the other hand, who is the other lead of this series and he's playing a negative role, so he is totally obsessed with Nihan and he just want Nihan in any case. So he just trap Nihan brother in a murder case. Due to this, just to save his brother from this murder case, she gets married to Emir, and just to save his brother. She loves her brother a lot, and she's very lively character. I loved her character in this series. She's a very cheerful person, but what she goes through in this whole series is it's like so traumatic to see, that the way she suffers in this whole series, and in fact at the end also she suffers only. So overall this series have lot of emotions. In fact, lot of jealousy scenes are there, romantic scenes are there. So you love the chemistry between Nihan and Kemal. Their chemistry is so beautiful. So overall it's if I talk about the end, so most of you must have known because it's one of the popular Turkish series which has been loved by so many people across the globe. So if you haven't watched this one, so just let me tell you, not exact end. So it has a sad ending. Just keep your tissue bag with you. You should have your tissue paper with you. You will cry so hard in this series. It will make you cry so hard. So overall, it's a worth watching Turkish series. Now I'll be putting some concealer and I'll be talking you about the next Turkish series, which is Kirilik Aşk. In English we say Love for Rent. Okay, this series I have mentioned in my previous video as well. This series has my heart. I literally binge watched this series. This series is so good. I love the chemistry between Umar and Daphne. So okay, if I talk about the storyline, so it's basically Daphne, her brother is in a debt of some large amount and she wants to pay that debt in any case. If she'll not, so her brother will get killed. On other hand, Nermeen, she wants Umar to get married in any case. If he'll not get married to anyone, so his grandfather will sell off all his property. So she makes a contract with Daphne that if she'll get married to Umar and then she'll pay that debt amount of his brother. So in order to save his brother, she accepts that offer. That offer is basically that she has to become an assistant to Umar and she has to just attract him and get married to him and then just leave away. So this is a whole twist which later the secret is revealed to Umar, and it has that breakup scene as well. So this series is basically, it has lot of emotions, lot of romance, and if you're looking to binge watch something boss employee kind of a series, so you must binge watch this one. It's a basically office romance Turkish series, and lot of jealousy scenes as well. And the last and the most important, it has a lot of comedy scenes, like the Kore and who is working in Umar company. He's a photographer, and Kore and Nermeen, they both are very good friends, and I loved the comedy between Nermeen and Kore. They are so good in that series. So it has everything a rom-com Turkish series should have: comedy, jealousy scenes, and boss-employee relationship. Everything it has, and you will have a great time watching this series. So now I'll be talking about the other one, which is Can Siskleri. Okay, Can Siskleri, most of you I believe must be knowing this series. It has been immensely popular across the world. It's one of the popular revenge-based Turkish series. So it's a beautiful love story of Dilan and Baran. Dilan, the character is played by Yağmur Yüksel. So she's very super cute in this series. She has that innocent face. So if I talk about the storyline, it's a revenge-based series. Baran, whose mother got killed by Dilan's father, who is actually not his father. So he wants to take a revenge from their family. So he forcefully marries Dilan. She'll not get married to Baran, so Baran will kill his brother. So just to protect her brother, so she gets married to Baran. And after that, the actual love story of both of them begins, and it has romance, emotions, and you'll have a great time watching this series. It has a total 3 seasons, and if I talk about the ending, it's a very beautiful happy ending. In fact, if you're looking only specifically for revenge-based happy ending Turkish series, so you should watch this one. It has forced marriage, it has romantic scenes, it has revenge. So everything a good series should have. So you will have a great time watching this one. So I have done with my concealer. Now I'll be putting some foundation, and the foundation is of Bobbi Brown, if you can see. Okay, so the next one which I'll be discussing is Erkenci Kuz. Erkenci Kuz is one of the popular rom-com Turkish series. This series is super good. You will literally enjoy watching this one. It has a lot of comedy scenes, romantic scenes, and the chemistry between Can and Senem is so good. In fact, super hot. You love the chemistry between them. And the Senem, she is full-on comedy character. Her character is very unique and very different. You will enjoy watching her character. So basically, Senem, she has a dream to become a writer, and she wants to be a writer, but she's working in her father's grocery store, and her mother wants her to get a job. If she'll not get a job, so she'll get married to Muzaffar. So they will get her married to Muzaffar, who is basically obsessive lover of Senem, and Muzaffar is an obsessive lover, but he's a very funny character, and you will enjoy watching her character. Like further episode, you will enjoy watching his character as well. He's a super funny character. So he loves Senem and he wants to get married to her, but Senem not at all interested in him. So she gets a job in her sister company. Her sister is working in a very popular advertising company, so she gets a job there, and there she meets Can, who is basically becomes the boss of Senem, and then their love story begins. So it has boss-employee relationship, it has lot of jealousy scenes, the chemistry between Can and Senem is super good. Over a lot of comedy scenes are there, and a lot of secrets are also revealed in this series. It's one of the bestest comedy rom-com Turkish series. In fact, if you are a beginner, you can't miss this series. In fact, if you are new to Turkish series, you should watch this one. You will have an amazing time watching this one. It's a worth watching rom-com Turkish series. And the next which I'll be discussing is Aşk Laftan Anlamaz, and this series is also one of the most popular rom-com Turkish series, which has been loved by so many people across the globe. This series, you can't miss this series. It has a beautiful chemistry of Hayat and Murad, and they have a popular actors. Like so many people around the world love Burak Deniz and Hande Erçel chemistry in this series. Their chemistry is so good, in fact so hot. I loved it. So basically it's a story of Hayat, who just want to get a job in any case. If she doesn't, so her mother will take her back to her native place, and she'll she'll get into an arranged marriage then. So she gets a job in Burak company and as a personal assistant. And there is also a twist at how she gets a job. Then you have to watch the series. I can't tell you whole story, so you have to see that. So she gets a job there, and then they fall in love with each other, and you will see the beautiful chemistry between them. And Murad is a very possessive character in this series. Like you will get to see a lot of jealousy scenes as well. Comedy is there, boss employee relationship is there, lot of romance is there, and the best thing is the perfect chemistry between Hayat and Murad. It will be forever etched in your heart. Like, this is the best rom-com Turkish series which you can't miss, and it's also recommended for those who are beginner to Turkish series. You can't miss this series. Okay, I've done with my foundation. I'll be putting some compact. Also, I have talked a lot actually. I just need some water as well. And now the last one is left, which is a very sweet Turkish series. But before that, I'll do some not eye makeup, but I have to put some eyeliner, which I can't record it. So I'll do that. Then I will tell you about my last Turkish series. And it's a very sweet Turkish series. So yeah. Okay, I'm done with my liner. I'll be putting some mascara, and also I forgot to mention that in Ashlaftan Anlamaz, it has enemies to lover vibes as well. So in fact, their first meeting starts with a fight only, and that scene is it has a very comedy scene. I love their first meeting. In fact, you will also enjoy watching their first meeting as well. So it has enemies to lover vibes, and also the friendship between Hayat, Asli and Epic, her two friends. That bond is so beautiful. You'll enjoy watching their friendship bond as well. So yeah. Okay, I'll be putting mascara. In fact, I'm thinking how I'll put mascara while chit-chatting. It's very tough to put mascara like this. It's my first time I'm doing makeup and talking in front of camera. I have never done this. I never imagined also in my life that if I'll be doing like this also. Yeah, because I already said I'm a very bad in doing makeup and all. Okay, I have done this, and also this mascara is of Too Faced mascara, Better Than Sex. So, and it's very good mascara, very highly recommendable. In fact, very good. I love this mascara. Okay, now I'll be talking about the last one, but after my shoot, I have to do some shoot. Then I'll be talking about the last one. And as I mentioned earlier, it's a very sweet series. Guess which series it could be. It's a very sweet series, very sweet. So, okay, I guess I have done it. I have to change also, and I'll be doing some shoot. Then I will tell you about the last one. So yeah. Just to show you, I'll be using MAC lipstick. I'll be using this one, and then I'll be doing my shoot. Okay guys, I have done with my shoot. I'll be having my coffee. So before having this coffee, I'll be telling you about the last Turkish series, which is Dolunay. In English we say Full Moon. Okay, this series is one of the sweetest rom-com Turkish series and a very popular one as well. So it has my favorite Turkish pair, Oz Gurel and Can Yaman. I love their chemistry. Their chemistry is so good. They are one of my favorite Turkish pair. So if I talk about the storyline, so basically Nazli is a young poor girl and she is looking for a job. On other hand, Ferit, he is a young rich businessman and very strict and disciplined kind of a person. So Nazli gets a job at Ferit Place as a cook, and before getting hired at his place, she meets Ferit at an event and where she's working as a waiter. So they had a kind of a argument in their first meeting. So it has that enemies to lover vibes as well. Also it has that again it has a boss employee relationship, but the it's not like a office kind of a romance, but it has romance at Ferit Place. So basically you will enjoy watching their chemistry, how they fell in love with each other, and that enemies to lover vibes, and those jealousy scenes as well. In fact, the comedy as well. So one of the worth watching rom-com Turkish series. Also, if you are a beginner, in fact, this series is also recommended for Turkish series beginners, so you should watch this one. Overall, it's a very sweet rom-com Turkish series. So that's it for all. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I would love to know that what more topics which you want me to discuss in further videos. Please let me know in the comment section. Also, which is your favorite romantic Turkish series, the popular ones among these or any other? Let me know in the comment section. I would love to read those. And yeah, that's it for now.